Homeowners who are on active duty service have some key mortgage and financial protections under what's known as the Servicemembers Civil Relief Act, the SCRA. This is a federal law that provides a range of civil and financial protections for active duty military members. SCRA safeguards cover everything from mortgage interest rates and foreclosure to car and rental leases, income tax payments, and more. The SCRA is basically a new and improved version of the original Soldiers and Sailors Civil Relief Act that was passed way back in 1940. The 2003 update greatly expanded that original law, and Congress continues to make changes as needed. In terms of eligibility, SCRA protections generally cover both regular active duty military members and Guard and Reserve members who have been activated under federal orders. The SCRA does not cover retired military members, Reserve or Guard members not on active duty, or National Guard members who are activated under state orders. Now let's take a closer look at two of the SCRA's biggest mortgage-related protections. First, for eligible borrowers, the SCRA caps interest rates for mortgages along with car loans, credit cards, and other types of debt at 6% during the term of service and for 1 year after. Homeowners might need to show that their military service has materially affected their finances in order to secure this protection. Two, the SCRA also prevents lenders and servicers from foreclosing on a military member's home during their period of service and for a set number of months following their separation from the military. Active duty borrowers who miss a mortgage payment or who are otherwise behind on their payments should contact their lender or servicer as soon as possible. Reach out immediately. Your next call can go directly to the VA loan program to ask them for help. The number, you can reach the VA directly at 1-877-827-3702. Now, when it comes to the mortgage-related protections under the SCRA, one of the keys is that the loan, it needs to predate enlistment or the period of active duty service. The service member would also need to be either the borrower or the co-borrower on the loan. It's also possible to get these protections if you've assumed the loan. Homeowners typically need to request mortgage relief from their lender or servicer under the SCRA. It's important to note that raising your hand to invoke your SCRA rights cannot negatively impact your credit score. Generally, lenders and servicers can accept a range of documents to verify military orders, and that includes a copy of your official orders, a letter on official unit letterhead that's signed by your CO, and that includes key dates, personal information, and a notation that invokes your SCRA protections, or any other form of official documentation that's acceptable to DoD. If you're a homeowner on active duty, talk with your nearest military legal assistance office to learn more about your eligibility for SCRA protections. A legal assistance office can also help explain how to best ask for any SCRA safeguards to which you might be entitled. Because it's important to understand lenders and creditors don't always grant these protections automatically. You might have to ask for them in writing in some cases, and it's important to understand what protections might be out there.